Hi there. Today we will explore the science behind leeches, how they drink blood, are there any side effects, what are the medical uses of this. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it. So let's start. Leeches are worms that live in water or on land and feed by sucking blood from fishes, frogs, lizards, birds, or if they get a chance, larger animals like humans. They suck blood because it is very good source of food for them, and some leeches only need to feed once a year. Like all bloodsuckers, leeches like to bite without causing too much pain. They like to bite in spots where they are hard to find. The one thing that leeches have to worry about is that blood clots. A blood clot forms whenever you get a cut, which stops bleeding in few minutes. This happens when blood contacts the air. It clumps together and forms a solid lump. The leech can't feed if the blood forms a lump, so it releases a chemical called hirudin that prevents this clumping. They use suckers to attach themselves to the skin before they actually start sucking any blood. They inject a chemical substance that acts as a local anesthetic to that area, then they start to suck out the blood from that area and swell up. Because of their weight after swelling up, they fall off. Sometimes people won't even notice they have been bitten by a leech until they see the bite because of that anesthetic. The only significant trouble with the leech is that it also injects a chemical called hirudin, which makes it difficult for the blood to clot. If you don't notice the bite, you may lose some amount of blood. Apart from this, depending on the surrounding, the bite area is subjected to infection just like any other wound or cut. Don't worry, these bites are not associated with any problems. Most people can just feel a local irritation at that wound site. If a leech is forcibly removed by pulling it, its teeth can remain embedded in the wound and cause a local irritation. If you find a leech doing its business on your or friend's body while you are in a forest or in a trip, then what can you do? Now upon discovering this, you might cry out or just dance around trying to shake off the leech, right? The best strategy here is to just wait until the leech finishes its meal and let it fall off on its own. The reason is, leeches secrete something that prevents blood from clotting. Carry a packet of salt and pour some on the leech. The salt leaches the water out from its body, making it dehydrated. The leech then seals off the wound by itself and drops off. Leeches can be annoying and the bite can be itchy, but they are not dangerous. In fact, leeches have been used to treat the human diseases for thousands of years. Their blood-sucking ability was thought to be useful in sucking diseased or bad blood out from the body, and so sick people had leeches applied regularly. However, we know that allowing leeches to suck blood does little to help in most cases. In fact, if too many leeches are applied, a sick person can get weak from the loss of blood. The one area of medicine where leeches are still helpful is using them to improve the blood circulation in the skin. They also reduce the chances of blood clotting when that could be dangerous in some sick people. However, as our technologies are growing, we can make an artificial version of the chemical leeches that are used to prevent the blood clotting. Yeah, this is about today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will get you in the next video. Thank you.